Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a dot pattern inside Figma. Now once you're logged into your account, either you're using the application software or you're at the website page from any browser. So you can just go it and just click on this option called design. And once you click on the design, let it load. So you will see an interface like this one. So just right click inside the empty space. And once you right click, so you will see all these options. So just click on this option called plugins and just manage plugins. And once you click on manage plugins, so make sure to go to plugins and widgets. And inside this option, just search or write down dot pattern. And once you write this, you will see this plugin called dotted pattern generator transform images into customizable dotted patterns effortlessly. Just click on this one, click on run. And once you click on run, so that plugin will be added. As you can see, like you will see an interface like this one. So you will you can just upload the image inside this section. So that is your choice. Select the image, upload it. Let's say this is a random image that I am uploading. And now you can see a dotted pattern has been updated. You can just choose the color as well. Like if you want to select the other color, just choose the color. You can choose the dotted pattern color as well. There are some more options which you can say, like the visibility. As you can see, like if I reduce it, I'm not able to see. If I increase it, so now this has been a kind of dotted pattern or the dotted image which is similar to the original image. You can just play with the settings. That is your choice, whichever fits best for you. Select it, and once you select it, after that just click on Figma and it will be loaded inside your project. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.